Odisha accused West Bengal's governments of the playing politics over the potato. Odisha Food Supply and the Consumer Welfare Minister Krishna Chandra Patra on the Saturday alleged that the Mamata Banerjee go the war meet in the playing the politics over the supply of the potato and added that the Odisha government would be not request West Bengal restore supply due to retractions impossible by the West Bengal government truck loaded with the potato have not been allowed to cross the border since the Wednesday night. Many whose that vehicles have not allowed returned to the origins point. Official had said, speaking to the media, reasons about the potato crisis. Mr. Prata said, we are not going to have any talk with the Mamata Banerjee government on this. It is not proper. He restricted the supply of the vegetable or the goods and the state because the all of under one country and that everyone should live the together, the minister said. West Bengal also depend on the other state for the fish and the other items. Odisha can also stop the goods vehicles at its border, but we are not going to do so, he said. Potato have started arriving in the state from the Uttar Pradesh. Inside it, the can also be bought from the Punjab. Mr. Patra said the retail price of the vegetable has increased in the local market with potatoes which were selling between the 33 to 35 per kg 3 days ago now being sold 54 to 50 per kg. While the Imsetpur Agriculture Pro the decided marketing community APMC Security Abhishek Anand said around 50 to 55 trucks anti-truck have helpline and the WhatsApp chat bot 9779100200. We will leave to no strong unreturned to make the Punjab a drug-free state. Only when every youth person say always from the drugs will be able to make Rangla Punjab. Chief Minister Punjab Bhagwant Singh Mann. Congress is applied to protect constitutions. All states should be the related fairly as per the constitutions, but the Prime Minister is the refused to the support. YNN deposed the Tanzet. It was the first Shri Rahul is at the BJP in the control of government and media and the support has been Asians. Priyanka say he will the raise of the voice of white people and the parliament. Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi, leaders of the positions in the Lok Sabha, has said that his party is engaged in ideological fight in the parliament to protect constitutions. He was addressing public meeting. Bengal ring AP 20 flights cancelled in Hyderabad airport. Andhra Pradesh work up the clone to the glory to the mornings on the Saturday as light of the moderate rain was recovered in the many places across the state. Will very heavy rainfall above the 100 ml and accompanied by the gusty wind. Parts of the Tirupati district under the impact of cyclonic storm Bengal. Kerala government surprise after Central Sikh Reserve Project report was a silver line. Bareilly Waka after the Union Railway Ministers Ashwini Vaishnaw extracted to the port supplier supports Ambedkar semi-high-speed rail project Reliance latest communication from the centrals regarding to the project seems to take the state by the supplies.